In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your voicemail greeting in the Universe communication system. First, log into your online portal at selfcare.thisisuniverse.io. Then select Services. You'll be presented with this screen. On the right-hand side, you'll see the voice and voicemail greetings fields. This is where you can update your voicemail greeting settings. Here's how to set up a standard greeting. Go to the voice field and click the down arrow. Here you'll see a choice of voices that are available to use to play your greeting. You have a variety of languages and accents to choose from. If you press play example, you'll hear how the voice will sound. Voicemail greetings is where you can choose from a selection of pre-recorded greetings for the voice to read out. Again, press play example to hear the greeting read out in your selected voice. Once you're happy with the greeting that your callers will hear, press the Save Voicemail Greeting button. You've also got the option of recording your own greeting. To record your message, dial the Universe voicemail on 0333 023 7999. Then select option 3 using the DTMF buttons. Then follow the menu prompts. Here I'm pressing 3 to record my greeting and then hash to save it. You now need to select the recorded message option in the voicemail greetings drop-down list and press Save Voicemail Greeting. Your callers will now hear your personalised greeting. For more how-to videos, user guides and other useful information, please visit the resources page on our website. Thank you for watching.